In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to external pages in navigation in Squarespace. If you want to add a menu item in your Squarespace navigation that sends visitors to a different website or an outside page, the process is very simple. This is useful if you want to link to a partner site, a booking platform, a store on another domain, or any external resource you want people to access directly from your site menu. To get started, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. From there, click on Website and then select Pages. This will open the Pages panel where you can see the full list of pages currently on your site. This area is where you manage your site structure and organize what appears in your navigation. Once you're in the Pages panel, look for the Main Navigation section. This is the section that controls the primary links visitors usually see in your website's menu. To add a new item there, click the plus icon next to Main Navigation. This opens the menu for creating something new in that navigation area. At this point, Squarespace will show you different content types you can add. Instead of choosing a new page, select Link. This option is specifically for creating a navigation item that points somewhere else, rather than building a new page inside your Squarespace site. After selecting Link, you'll be asked to fill in a couple of fields. First, enter the name of the link. This is the text your visitors will see in the navigation menu, so make sure it's clear and easy to understand. For example, you might use a label that matches the destination, so users know exactly where they're going when they click it. Next, enter the full URL for the external page you want to link to. Be careful to paste the correct web address so the link works properly. It's a good idea to double-check the URL before saving, especially if the destination is an important page for your visitors. Once you've entered the link name and the external URL, save it, and that's it. Your external link will now appear in your navigation like any other menu item. That's all there is to it. As a quick final tip, after adding the link, preview your site and click the menu item yourself to make sure it opens the correct page. It only takes a moment, and it helps you catch mistakes before your visitors do.